Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming core prerequisites, so check your device IP and Wi-Fi signal strength now, note the SSID and channel. Next, power cycle the modem and router, turn both off for 30 seconds, then on, and wait for a full boot sequence. While they restart, temporarily disable VPN, firewall, and battery saver on your device so they aren't masking the problem. Once done, reconnect to the known network and test stability for a few minutes to see if disconnects persist. Now dig into router configuration. Scan neighboring networks and move your 4 GHz channel to 1, 6, or 11, or switch clients to 5 GHz if available, because interference often causes drops. Update router firmware to the latest stable release, set a reasonable DHCP lease time, and verify MTU values match your ISP. Reduce transmit power if overlapping networks collide. Enable Co-S to prioritize latency-sensitive traffic, and disable legacy 802.11b rates to improve stability for modern devices. Finish by tuning client devices. Update network drivers or the operating system, forget the Wi-Fi network and rejoin to clear bad profiles. If problems persist, test with a wired Ethernet connection to isolate whether the router, modem, or ISP is at fault. Check router logs for repeated errors, swap cables, and try a different router to identify hardware failure. If all else fails, back up settings and perform a factory reset on the router. But keep this as a last resort and document changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.